Good morning, K1. Today is Monday 13th, and April the 13th of 2020. This week we're going to talk about farm animals, where they live, and what they eat. We are also going to learn about the number 10. We're going to learn how to count to number 10, and we're going to learn about the letter Z. Are you ready? Good. So let's start off with our PowerPoint presentation. Farm animals: food, shelter, babies, and what they provide us with. So first, what is this picture of? That's right, it's a chicken. We have to feed chicken grains, or they can eat grass, seeds. And then there's the age-old question, which came first, the chicken or the egg? So the mama chicken has to eat food, and if it's on a farm, there will be a coop for it to live and lay its eggs. When the eggs hatch, after mom gives birth to the eggs, then a little baby chick will come out. And the chick will grow up by eating, will become another chicken, live again in a coop, and lay eggs itself, and over and over and over. What kind of animal is this? It's a dog. That's right. So, dogs, they are born as little puppies. Then, they need lots of food and water to grow up. They have their own little dog house in this picture. Most dogs just live in the house or in the backyard. And the dog will grow up, hopefully with a little boy or little girl will grow up with you and will become an older dog. And then the dog will give birth to more puppies, and so on. Dogs can live anywhere, especially on a farm. They can be helpful for keeping the sheep together, for sounding alarms if there are intruders, chasing off fox and other animals that might want to hurt the other farm animals. Here, we got lots of questions about this. Not sure why, but first we have the cow, mama cow. She gives birth to baby cow, called a calf. Calf has to drink lots of milk and eat lots of grass. They will live in an enclosure on a farm in a field. So then mama cow gives birth to baby cow. Baby cow lives on the farm, eat lots of grass, and can drink mama's milk. Then they can make milk for us humans to drink. Then the baby cow turns into another big cow and gives birth. So the cycle of life keeps going and going. So cows give birth to calves, eat grass, live on a farm, give milk, drink milk, etc. Over here we have a sheep. A sheep that is a female, a girl sheep, is called a ewe. Ewe. Can you say ewe? Good. So this is the mama ewe. She gives birth to a baby lamb. The lamb grows up in a little house on a farm, as well as eating lots of grass. And as it gets older, you can shave the lamb or the sheep's coat, their hair or their fur. It's called wool. Can you say wool? Wool. And we can wear wool in our clothes that make us feel nice and warm if it's cold outside, or you can go knit with the wool. So, this is not English, clearly. I'm not really sure what language it is. I'm assuming it might be Dutch. I could be completely wrong. But here you have a horse. A female horse is called a mare. Can you say mare? Good, mare. The mare will have a baby horse called a colt. Can you repeat colt? Good, so baby horse is called a colt. They will live in a stall, in a barn, on a farm. They'll eat lots of grass and vegetables and fruits. And as they get older, they will poop a lot too. Then you can ride horses, or you can use them to pull things. And this is the shape of their hooves, of their feet. Their feet are called hoof, or if there's more than one, hooves. Can you repeat hoof? Hooves. Good. As you can see here, this woman, what is she doing? She's horseback riding. What is this man doing? He's using the horse to pull fruits and vegetables to the market where he will sell them. We have cats on farms too. Cats help by catching mice and other rats and bad animals that are not good for farms. So you have the mama cat. She gives to a baby cat, which is called a kitten. Meow. The kitten can live anywhere. Cats and kittens can live inside or outside. She's got a little bed, she's got a little crate. They have to eat food to grow big and strong. And then, of course, they poop. Then they grow into big cats, and these are their little paw prints. So remember, cat, kitten, paw prints. What are these animals called? What's this? That's right, it's a rabbit. What is this bird? Quack, quack. It's a duck. What about this big pink one? It's a pig. And what's this? It's a goat. What do pigs eat? Pigs can eat almost anything. They can eat cooked eggs. They can go out into the pasture. Can you repeat pasture? Good. Where they can eat grass and lay around in the mud. They can eat apples. They can eat dried or cooked corn, boiled potatoes, pellets that are full of like grains and other foods, and pumpkins. These are just some of the examples pigs can eat. Pigs can eat almost anything. Now, what do these farm animals help us with? Because most people don't just keep animals on a farm because they look pretty. There's a reason. You can make chicken or ribs or sausages, or you can eat ducks, cows, pigs, chicken, etc. Some people use their feathers for decorations from the ducks, from the chicken. We get corn, so we give corn to the animals for them to eat. Also, their poop can help fertilize, meaning give nutrients to the soil that the crops, fruits and vegetables grow from. We can also drink milk from goats and from cows. Over here, you got little doggy in the corner, and these big buckets are full of pellets that you can feed the animals with. You got carrots. Who do you think like carrots? Rabbits and horses. Most people like carrots. And they have lots of grass. So there you have it. We are learning about farm animals this week, and we're going to learn a lot more throughout the next couple days. What do they eat? Where do they live? How do they grow? And how do they help humans? Have fun. Okay, so after this PowerPoint, I want you to work on this worksheet. You have to tick the correct answer. So for example, over here, this is a goat. This is a picture of a goat. Where do goats live? Do they live in a pen or a sty? So you can check the pen. Sty is where pigs live. The next example. What is a baby goat called? A piglet or a kid? So you have to look at the pictures and decide. We checked kid over here. What do goats eat? Insects or grains? And we check grains. And then you do the rest for the rest of the worksheet. Now, if you don't know the answer, look at the pictures and try to figure it out. Welcome back, kids. Today we're going to learn about the number 10. Last week we learned about number 9, and we learned about addition. So this week we're going to continue adding, and we're going to count out to number 10. So hold your hands up. close them in fists, and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do we have on our hands? 10 fingers. Let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have no fingers up, so let's count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So now you are going to be working on counting the number 10 as well as drawing the number 10. How do we do that? Well, you have this worksheet, number 10, with the circles. You need to count 10 circles and color only 10 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you just color in one line of 10 circles. Then you need to trace the number 10, 1, 0, 1, 0, and then you write it by yourself on this line. After that, you need to find and circle the number 10 in this box and write the numbers that come before 10. And if you know the number that comes after 10, great. So before 10 and after 10. Then we have 10 apples down here, and you need to color only 10 apples. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. So, you have already watched the videos about the letter Z. Can you repeat after me? Z. Z. Zebra. Good. So, but today I don't want you to write the letter Z. I want you to practice your zigzag with this worksheet. You are going to follow the lines at the top, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You're going to practice making your zigzags across the sheet. Let me show you how. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that way we are going to practice making zigzags. So when we actually make the letter Z, we just go across, down, across. But today we are just going to practice our zigzags. So go ahead and try it.